So today we are going to unbox the Boat Rockerz 400 on-ear wireless headphones, which is a product of Boat Lifestyle. Boat is a lifestyle brand that deals in consumer electronics like earphones, headphones, speakers, travel chargers and premium rugged cables. So let's see what we can expect from this device. But before we get started, if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So here we have the device. The headphone comes with a built-in battery for Bluetooth functionality, hands-free call for easy control and passive noise cancellation. The features of this headphone are given below at the back side of the box. The branding at the side of the box. This headphone is priced at Rs 1500 and I have purchased it from Amazon. So let's see what we have in the box. So here we have the device. Let's check what we have in the box. This is the user manual of the headphone. Instructions are given below. Here we have an invitational card from Boat Lifestyle. Here we have the aux cable for wired usage of this headphone. Here we have the charging cable. Now let's check out the device. The build quality of this headphone is really good. We have the Boat branding at the side of this headphone. At the bottom below we have the control buttons, the play music button, the volume up down control, the power connector, the aux input, the microphone and the LED indicator. So after checking the overall performance and sound quality of this headphone, in my opinion, if your budget is around 1K, I will definitely recommend you to go for this. The sound quality, adjustment of music level and bass management is just mind-blowing. So this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Rockerz 400 wireless headphones. So if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram to know more about us. Well, with that being said, it's Team Right signing out here and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.